Hello, my name is Dan Richardson, and I'm going to be one of your MCs today. Welcome to the 2021 FIRST Robotics Competition, Florida, Central America, and South America Awards Show, part of the FIRST Game Changers, powered by Star Wars, A Force for Change.
Hola, my name is Brian Bautista, and I will also be one of your MCs during this celebration. It is great to see so many teams and robot fans here. This was a tough year, but that did not keep you from participating in FIRST, and that we need to celebrate. I see today we are honoring the accomplishments from teams from Florida, Brazil, Colombia, and the Dominican Republic. Bienvenidos todos, boas-vindas equipes.
The Florida region had 75 teams participating this season. Today, those teams will be joined in this award celebration by 18 teams from the Caribbean and South America. This show is a two-regional celebration for award winners of the two regions, regardless of which group the teams competed in.
But before we get to the game, here is a message from FIRST Robotics Competition Director, Frank Merrick.
Hello, FIRST Robotics Competition teams. My name is Frank Merrick. I'm the Director of FRC, and welcome to your awards show. What a crazy season 2021 was, and I, for one, am, fingers crossed, hoping we can get together again in person for official events in 2022. But in the meantime, congratulations to all the award winners and everyone who participated this year. Have a great show.
And now, here to recognize the first supporters for the FIRST Game Changers, powered by Star Wars Force for Change season, is Blair from FIRST Headquarters.
Every year, FIRST and you benefit from the support of hundreds of generous sponsors, suppliers, scholarship providers, and alliances. We deeply appreciate their commitment and dedication and are especially grateful during this challenging season. A big thanks to everyone who makes FIRST, FIRST.
Thank you to all our wonderful sponsors for staying with us during these difficult times. We could not have done this without you.
Many companies are interested in hiring FIRST students and alumni as interns and employees. So be sure to share your FIRST experience on your resume and in interviews. Find out more at www.firstinspires.org/alumni.
And finally, before we start announcing the awards, we have one more special guest with a quick shout out for us. Here's FIRST founder, Dean Kamen.
As I do at the end of every season, I'd like to start by thanking the parents, the mentors, the teachers, the sponsors for helping give these kids this opportunity to have the hardest fun they'll ever have. I am aware each year of how much work it takes, how much grit it takes, but you always surpass our expectations. Congratulations to everybody, and let's celebrate the season we just finished, and I'll see you all next year when we make it even more exciting.
This year, the teams participating designed in FIRST Robotics competition game and competed for judged awards. The winning concept or elements of those concepts will be considered for an official game in a future season.
The Rookie Design Award celebrates a rookie's team's outstanding success in the Game Design Challenge. Here are the judges' comments. This game stood out not only for having dimension drawings, but for the refreshingly optimistic minds that reimagined the evergreen field as we know it. Putting the driver's station in the middle of the field, who would have thought? This team started with a water game before traveling to the moons of Mars and eventually landing on Mars. Congratulations to the team that bleeds green, Team 8324, Team Miko from Orlando, Florida.
Our next award is the Creativity Award, sponsored by Rockwell Automation. There were no winners of this award for either region, so we will move on to the Engineering Design Award.
The Engineering Award celebrates the team that demonstrates sound engineering in the design process. Here are the judges' comments. Come sail away for an adventure like no other. Be prepared to climb the rigging, protect our sails, and steal the treasure. Our engineered defenses will save your bacon and your bounty. We present the Engineering Award to Team 1902 Exploding Bacon from Orlando, Florida for their game design, Buccaneer's Bounty.
The Imagery Award, in honor of Jack Kamen, celebrates attractiveness in engineering and outstanding visual aesthetic integration from the machine to the team appearance. We have 3 winners in this category. Here are the judges' comments for the first winner. This team started the season by springing into action. From the hills to the treetops, the students designed a game with a theme to drive impact outside of FIRST. These cats are well prepared for winter. Congratulations, Team 108 Sigma Cat Robotics from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Here are the judges' comments for our next team. Considering all the angles from driver view to audience optics, it was a visual takeover for this team. Their graphics, renderings, and detailed images were full of energy and left nothing to the imagination. Only time will tell if this team ends up in the future or the past. Congratulations, Team 2383, the Ninjineers from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And here are the judges' comments for the next winner. The eye is captured by the brilliant colors and lush greens. The mind is engaged with the vibrant graphics. The heart is touched with the rescue of endangered mammals and the race to save the lands. This team is on fire with its design and stunning images. Congratulations to Team 5800 Magic Isle Robotics from Florianopolis, Brazil, on winning the Imagery Award for their game, Rescue Race.
The Concept Award celebrates a team that creates an interesting, realistic game concept. Here are the judges' comments. Time is short. The rooms are sinking. Solve the traps with clever thinking. Save the artifacts. Create a plan. The Concept Award goes to Team 180 Spam from Stuart, Florida for their game, Design Rise from the Ruins.
The Designers Award celebrates a team's outstanding success with the Game Design Challenge. Unfortunately, there were no winners of this award for either region.
Nearly 200 colleges and universities make available over $80 million in scholarships specifically to FIRST participants and alumni as part of the FIRST Scholarship Program. So, apply, apply, apply.
The Infinite Recharge at-home game brought components of events to teams in two ways. Teams could compete in a series of skills challenges based on the Infinite Recharge game using their Infinite Recharge robot, and teams could also illustrate their robot's technical qualities by sharing information with judges remotely. Today, we celebrate the teams that chose to participate in this year's game, Infinite Recharge at Home.
Our next award is the Autonomous Award, sponsored by Ford. And now, let's hear from them.
Hi, I'm Laura Steinholtz from Team 1522 in Mechanicsville, Virginia, and today I work as an aerodynamics engineer at Ford Motor Company. We created the Autonomous Award because we believe that advancements in robotics and automation are going to have a profound and positive impact for our vehicles and for society. Underscoring this belief, we recently opened the Ford Robotics building at the University of Michigan, where our researchers will work alongside students and faculty to make this future a reality. It's so exciting to see how this award has inspired teams to go further in their automation, and we'd like to congratulate all the winners of the 2021 Autonomous Award.
This award celebrates the team that has demonstrated consistent, reliable, high-performance robot operation during autonomously managed actions. Evaluation is based on the robot's ability to sense its surroundings, position itself or onboard mechanisms appropriately, and execute tasks. Here are the judges' comments. When manufacturers program self-driving cars, they want to give this team a call. Using an all-seeing eye, this team is ready to score from near and far. It's time to get down and dirty. Congratulations, team number 3932, the Dirty Mechanics of Boca Raton, Florida.
Hi, my name is Eric Pinto, a tax partner at PwC, and I have the privilege this year to present the Quality Award. This year, the competition was really tough, and we have two winners in this category. The Quality Award celebrates machine robustness in concept and fabrication. Here are the judges' comments for the first winner. This team was able to stay on top of all the current technologies, and their robot and their team stood the test of time. You aren't able to spell victory without their law. Congratulations to the Quality Award winner Team 86, The Resistance, and their robot Omar. Here are the judges' comments for the next winner. This team designed a bot to crawl low through the trench and raise high to shoot above the competition. They prioritized having a quality robot that's centered on an excellent and speedy shooting strategy. With a slick design and clean wiring, this robot left us wondering how it could have just crawled out from the swamp. Congratulations, Team 179, Children of the Swamp, from Riviera Beach, Florida.
Our next award is the Industrial Design Award, sponsored by GM. And now a word from another longtime FIRST sponsor.
Congratulations, FIRST Robotics Industrial Design Award winner from General Motors.
This award celebrates the team that demonstrates industrial design principles, striking a balance between form, function, and aesthetics. We have two winners in this category. Here's the judges' comments. Every part of this impressive machine was CNC'd to strike the perfect balance between form and function. The gold shine of its plastic parts contrasted the dark glow of their blue and white paint job for that professional robot look. This robot does the limbo, so not as to ram into the control panel, and their 3D printed spacers kept everything in position. Congratulations to Team 59 Ramtech from Miami, Florida. Here are the judges' comments from the next winner in this category. From simple prototypes with easy to source materials and an extensive design review process, this team was able to build a highly reliable robot, capable of sailing through a rough sea, stealing treasured power cells in the process. From easily maintained and reliable electrical systems to a well-designed shooter and intake, this team had the industrial design totally under control. Congratulations to Team 1156 Under Control from Novo Hamburgo, Brazil.
Our next award is the Excellence in Engineering Award. There were no winners of this award for either region, so we will move on to our next award, the Rookie Game Changer Award.
The Rookie Game Changer Award celebrates a rookie team's outstanding success this season. Here are the judges' comments. This rookie team knows the value of helping their team by building a support robot to help their alliance. They recognized their limitations, focused their efforts on making a single task robot, and tested it well throughout their first year journey with FIRST. Their robot kept its eye lit on the prize for the good of their alliances. Congratulations, Team 8324, Team Nico from Orlando, Florida.
The Skills Competition Finalist Award celebrates a team's outstanding success with the skills competition. The winner of this award came in second place for the most points in their group. Congratulations, Team 7563 from Jundiaí, Sao Paulo, Brazil. The Skills Competition Winner Award celebrates a team's outstanding success with the skills competition. The winner of this award had the most points in their group. Congratulations, Team 7566, Ceci Sinai Nayo Bayo from Campinas, Sao Paulo, Brazil.
We need to take a moment and thank our volunteers for their flexibility in pivoting and assisting in this challenging season. And here's a reminder of the kind of event we all want to get back to next season.
Come be a volunteer, help build tomorrow.
Volunteering that we do for FRC, best time of my life. It's awesome.
At FRC events, there are more than 120 people that are committed to making a difference for everyone involved.
It's so rare to find something you're volunteering that you're so passionate about. You only find that with FIRST.
I volunteer because I genuinely love what I do, and I love to inspire kids as much as I was inspired back when I was competing.
And you make amazing friends with these other volunteers. There's networking that happens, there's on-the-job training. There's a full gamut. There's no better way to spend a weekend.
Volunteering for FIRST is an amazing experience. As an alumni of the program, I get to experience all the new teams, all the parents, all the new students, and we always have a party with everyone here.
Come join the fun.
Is there anywhere else you'd rather be than a FIRST event? Come join the fun.
Come volunteer, help build tomorrow.
Our next award is the FIRST Innovation Challenge Semifinalist Award, sponsored by Qualcomm. And now, let's hear from them.
Hey FIRST teams, Natalie Ducey here from Qualcomm. As this year's season presenting sponsor of the FIRST Innovation Challenge, I just want to take a moment to congratulate all of our semifinalist teams. I hope everybody that participated in the Innovation Challenge this season really got a flavor of what innovation is all about. And I'm really looking forward to seeing the projects and the real-world solutions that teams came up with this year. Congratulations to everyone again, and we'll see you at GIA.
Semifinalists are teams that achieve excellence by designing an innovative solution for this year's Game Changer season by coming up with an effective design, use of sound technology, a feasible business plan, and a compelling business pitch.
Advancing FIRST Robotics competition teams will showcase their innovative solutions and compete for awards at the 2021 Global Innovation Awards powered by Star Wars, Force for Change, June 28th to the 30th, 2021 event, in front of FIRST strategic partners and a global audience of peers and industry leaders. We have 6 semifinalists in this category.
FIRST semifinalists, here are the judges' comments. How do you increase stamina and motivate people to exercise to gain muscle strength? Using their skills of app building, CAD design, and 3D printing, this team created a device to get people up on their feet and moving with support. By creating custom-measured neurological supportive aids, they will improve physical health through independent exercise for a community of people who need assistance due to neurological challenges. Congratulations, Team 1902. Exploding bacon. Oink, oink, boom.
Second semifinalist, here's what the judges had to say. This team designed a 3D printed custom fit arm brace to help autistic patients with low grip strength. They used marketing studies and engaged their local community to get a grip on inclusivity and gave a helping hand free of charge. Congratulations, Team 4013, Clockwork Mania from Orlando, Florida.
Here are the judges' comments for the next semifinalist. If only we had Power Rangers to help transform us with fitness. Instead, this team will encourage people to keep physically fit with a new little friend that they developed. Their personal robot allows people to exercise anywhere, so your health is always connected. Congratulations, Team 7563, Ceci Senai Megazorgi from Hyundai, São Paulo, Brazil.
Fourth semifinalist. Here are the judges' comments. This team's idea creates a game for people in need, and the judges liked the daily goals it created. Helping people restructure their brain after a stroke, as well as monitoring their progress, helps put the control in the patient's palm after a life-changing stroke. Congratulations, Team 5276, Edgar Allan Olms from Tampa, Florida.
And for the fifth semifinalist, here's what the judges have to say. Wanting to be included is a part of everyone's DNA. Technology has made a huge impact on everyone's lives, so why not use it to help those who feel excluded or marginalized? This team's solution to build a dynamic yet easy-to-use app to help one find or schedule events, people, or games will help those that are living with disabilities. I don't speak Portuguese, but I looked up a bunch of YouTube videos on how to pronounce this. Congratulations, Team 7566, Ceci Senai Niovio from Campinas, São Paulo, Brazil.
And last, but definitely not least, here are the judges' comments for the next semifinalist. Promoting wellness with a passion for sustainability guided this team. Aiming amputees to affordably access athletic activities, it was a snap that this team ought to be a First Innovation Challenge semifinalist. Congratulations, Team 7567, Ceci Senai São Paulo, Octopus.
Gracious professionalism is a part of the ethos of FIRST. It's a way of doing things that encourages high-quality work, emphasizes the value of others, and respects individuals and the community. With gracious professionalism, fierce competition and mutual gain are not separate notions. Gracious professionals learn and compete like crazy, but treat one another with kindness and respect in the process. They avoid treating anyone like losers, no chest-thumping tough talk, but no sticky sweet platitudes either. Knowledge, competition, and empathy are comfortably blended. In the long run, gracious professionalism is part of pursuing a meaningful life. One can add to society and enjoy the satisfaction of knowing one has acted with integrity and sensitivity. And now, here's another short and brilliant lesson from Woody Flowers, who coined the phrase, gracious professionalism.
Many smart people are predicting that future careers and jobs will rapidly and continuously change. In my career, for example, most of the analytical methods used for engineering analysis have dramatically changed. Artificial intelligence is suddenly becoming a very powerful tool. It's even on the verge of becoming a tool designing tool. What happens when big data and AI become potential tool makers? What happens when natural language is applied to solid modeling and stress analysis? You might soon be able to say to your screen, design a bracket to hold this wheel, keep the deflection to less than 1 millimeter as the robot collides with a stiff wall at full speed. That time is near. So what will a STEM-trained person do? What will we offer to society so society will love us? It's not likely to be commonly applied technical analysis. However, uniquely human things like recognizing needs, being creative, acting on empathy, demonstrating leadership, designing beautiful things, those uniquely human characteristics will be even more valuable. So, those who understand the universe and understand themselves and society will be in a very powerful and satisfying position. That's good stuff.
FIRST Robotics competition celebrates the excitement of competition both on and off the field. Through the following awards, we celebrate the FIRST core values which make us so much more than robots.
Is Deborah here?
Yes, she is. Hang on. Deb? For you.
Hi, Deb. How are you?
I'm fine. Why are we here?
Because
I was going to close that so we don't have to let all the air conditioning out.
you don't have to wear a mask. I understand. We have chosen you as Volunteer of the Year for the Florida region. And just ignore that for right now.
Why? What have I done?
Let me just tell you. Here, can you hold this a second? First of all, you know that we love you and everything that you do for Voltage.
I have a shirt just like yours. You know that?
And this is what the awarders wrote about you. This person leaves her heart at every regional she volunteers at. First to come, last to leave, always ready to make things happen and to make sure nothing will stop the game. Congratulations.
Aww.
So we're going around to all our key volunteers and giving them nice goodie bags, but yours is a little special, more special because you are volunteer of the year.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your
It's hard to get the two of you in the same shot.
And you get
Thank you so much.
So we thank you for your volunteer experience and everything. What is it, about 12 years now?
Mm-hmm.
With
14,
14?
12, 14. No, because I went to Paris for 1
That's
year.
right, you went to Paris, yeah. And then you are pretty much judge wranglers for everything for the past couple of years. So it's been very nice for you to do that because you do so much work for that.
Thank you. Especially this year.
Especially this year.
I appreciate it so much.
And then you also just celebrated, what, 14 years with Disney?
Yes, I did. Thank you very much. Oh my goodness, this is so great. Thank you guys. Hey!
Hi.
Stephen Jankowski.
Jay Stevenkowski.
Jay Stevenkowski. I'm here to award you the Florida Region Volunteer of the Year.
Wow.
Because this is both from Sandra and I, because you volunteer at both our regionals. You're an amazing ref. And we also love all that you do for the FTC in the Tampa area. And God, I love having you on the RPC. You're our favorite engineer / lawyer.
Oh, fantastic.
Congratulations. I wish we could have done it in,
Hey, everybody.
I wish we could have done it in front of a big crowd, but that's just the way this happens.
I don't know. Can I?
Yes, you can.
Our next award is the Woody Flowers Finalist Award. This award is presented to an outstanding mentor who best leads, inspires, teaches, and empowers their team using excellent communication skills. Dr. William Murphy and Small Parts Inc. began this prestigious award in 1996. Beginning in 2004, this award was expanded to honor more exemplary communicators in the FIRST community. Presenting the award for the Florida region is 2013 Championship Woody Flowers Award winner, Freddie Lajvardi from Team 842. And presenting the award for the Caribbean and South American region is 2004 Championship Woody Flowers Award winner, Dave Kelso from Team 131.
Woody Flowers stated, "Creative activity is one of the few self-rewarding activities. Being creative is like being in love." The love of FRC Robotics has been deep-seated in so many people for so many years. This year, we saw that love and that energy get creative with the new competition challenges. Teams this year have adjusted their methods, changed their plans, and reached for different goals as we all adapted to the challenges that the world gave us. The safety net of change has been FIRST mentors. Students have eloquently shared in their heartwarming Woody Flowers essays evidence of how our FIRST Robotics competition mentors have continued to show their strength, dedication, and unwavering gracious support of our youth. Woody believed societies get the best of what they celebrate. The Woody Flowers Award celebrates our students by providing them a means to formally recognize their mentors with the WFFA nomination. Students have an opportunity to implement gracious professionalism through high-quality work and emphasizing the value of others. Because it is the student's choice, it is so meaningful to the mentors. Because the award elevates Woody's tradition of guiding us with clarity and integrity, it is meaningful to the whole FIRST community. The Woody Flowers Award celebrates outstanding communication in the art and science of engineering and design. It was created by Dr. William Murphy in 1996, seeking to recognize one mentor who, in the concisely communicated written words of students, demonstrates the leadership, ethical behavior, and technical communication skills that were exemplified by Woody. At each region and district awards event, one mentor will receive the Woody Flowers Finalist Award. One mentor will be selected from present finalists and renominated past finalists to receive the 2021 Championship Woody Flowers Award. Here, in the Florida region, you shared high praise for the accomplishments and dedication of your mentors and your teams. Based on your input, we recognize the contribution of one mentor to the FIRST experience. This mentor is a force for change. Hesitant new members are quickly taken under his wing as he encourages them as a mentor and a friend. He brings out their best qualities and molds them into competent leaders and eager innovators. He knows FIRST isn't all about winning. It's about seeing students grow and learn new skills to change the world. With his catchphrase, "Keep it simple, silly," he promotes growth of individual members and the whole team. As an expert in both hardware and software, he truly shines as the friendly face that students see when they enter a lab or a Zoom call. He leads them to pursue their passions and ask questions about what they once believed impossible. Please join us in congratulating the 2021 Florida Regional Woody Flowers Finalist Award winner, Keith Glassnap from Team 3932.
For the Caribbean and South American regions, you shared high praise for the accomplishment and dedication of your mentors and your team. Based on your input, we now recognize the contribution of one mentor to the FIRST experience.
The students on this team say that this mentor cares for their team, encourages them to challenge their limits and overcome boundaries. This mentor organizes a feedback session every year with each team member to acknowledge individual accomplishments and assure that everyone feels valued on the team. He's not only a mentor, but a friend, a family member, and above all, a role model. His team will take this mentor's lessons and passion for FIRST with them in both their future personal and professional lives. Please join us in congratulating the 2021 Caribbean and South American Region Woody Flowers Finalist Award winner, Bruno Nunez Toso from Team 1156. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Bruno.
FIRST Deansless students are passionate, outstanding students who exhibit exemplary effectiveness at attaining FIRST values. These students were nominated by their teams for their exemplary leadership and commitment, not only in their teams, but also in their communities. The following students were nominated to be FIRST Deansless finalists. From Team 1902, Exploding Bacon, Alexis Uroichenko. From Team 3932, The Dirty Mechanics, Megan Enriquez. From Team 4592, M3, The Mighty Mechanical Mustangs, Olivia Biscuit. From Team 7193, Invictus, Home Druff. From Team 7431, Wingspan, Sid Antoine. From Team 7500, The Marauders, Kaylee Diaz. From Team 7566, Ceci Sanai Niobio, Vanessa Silva. And from Team 7717, The Steampunks, Ignacio Fernandez. Congratulations to all these Deansless finalists, and good luck on your next step.
You've experienced Orlando, but behind the curtain, there's a community of unrivaled talent and adventurous entrepreneurs delivering innovative experiences that change the way we interact with the world. Built on a foundation of tackling the impossible, from taking man to the moon to revolutionizing themed experiences, those that call the Orlando region home are change makers, altering the way we experience business. Our military is getting the best and safest training thanks to our modeling, simulation, and robotics companies that also provide advanced approaches to how we care for our veterans. Creating gaming experiences that put the player at the center of the action, and technology that gives riders a next-generation transportation experience. And Orlando's ingenuity brings new ways of keeping our community healthy and safe, with artificial intelligence powering smart decisions on how we interact with the world. And lasers at the cutting edge of multiple technological breakthroughs are being researched and developed here, supported by the nation's top lasers and photonic institutions. And businesses aren't just hosting their conventions here anymore. They're building best-in-industry training centers in Orlando. JetBlue and KPMG have built end-to-end performance centers in Orlando to train every single staff member. And no community in the country provides more pilot training simulator hours. Entertainment technology invents new ways to experience media in Orlando, while an ecosystem of like-minded talent work together to change the way the world works. And all these experiences created in Orlando aren't just for businesses and consumers, they're for our people. Our residents choose this region for once-in-a-lifetime experiences, 365 days a year. From coasters to the coastline and theme parks to city parks, Orlando is the place where fantasy can turn into reality. For visitors, for businesses, and for you.
The Chairman's Award is the most prestigious award at FIRST. It honors the team that best represents a model for other teams to emulate and best embodies the purpose and goals of FIRST. The Chairman's Award is presented to the team judged to have the most significant and measurable impact of its partnerships among its participants and community over a sustained period, not just a single build season. The winner is able to demonstrate progress towards FIRST's mission of transforming our culture. The winning team will compete against other Chairman's Award winners for the Championship Chairman's Award. Here are the judges' comments for the Caribbean and South American Regional Chairman's Award winner. This team impressed the judges with their sustained excellence and their measurable impact on FIRST and their local, national, and international communities. Through their well-rounded outreach, they've carried the ball to start 39 new teams, mentored 44 teams, and assisted 355 FIRST teams in just the last 3 years. They partnered with one team that they started to create teams in 7 more countries. This team has run the largest robotics event in their state, started and ran the Brazilian FTC National Tournament, and partnered with another team to run and host the first South American FRC event in 10 years, off-season Brazil. While on their way to winning the FIRST Cup, this team shows that they have shown that their outreach is out of control, even though their team certainly isn't. Congratulations, Team 1156, Under Control, from Novo Hamburgo, Rio Grande do Sul, Brazil. And for the Florida region, we'll be celebrating 3 winners for the first time. Here are the judges' comments for the first Florida Chairman's Award winner. A year-round team making a positive and meaningful impact on its diverse community and team members brings the graduation rate to high standards, with the majority pursuing STEM careers. The team lives the values of FIRST and spreads them through demos, workshops, starting teams, and hosting tournaments. This team is empowered, aggressive, and relentless in exposing younger students to FIRST and STEM through their very successful summer enrichment camp and their apprenticeship program, in addition to improving the quality of life of those in need by providing care packages. These Greek monsters think globally but act locally to inspire the next generation. Congratulations, team number 1369, the Minotaur from Tampa, Florida. Next, here are the judges' comments for the next Florida Chairman's Award. With local community outreach, STEM advocacy, and engaging with public figures, as well as hosting kickoffs and tournaments, mentoring teams, and opening their workshop to provide other teams the opportunity to compete during the pandemic, this team works around the clock. This team also knows what really makes FIRST tick, forming cognitive solutions to provide assistance to underserved occupational therapists, assisting in the development of food-growing equipment launched to the International Space Station, and securing a $50,000 grant to deliver laptops to kids in need to connect virtually during the pandemic. Their passion has resonated with their school, who added an engineering academy to their program, including CAD certification and other classes that will spring students forward into careers in STEM. Congratulations, Team 4013, Clockwork Mania from Orlando, Florida. And here are the judges' comments from the final Florida Chairman's Award winner. Boosting STEM and FIRST throughout the community, hosting kickoffs, competitions, coaches conferences, workshops, outreach, and a summer robotics program, this is a well-seasoned team. The blend of diversity on this team has enabled them to assist international teams in their native languages. They empower their female leadership while networking with female leaders around the world when they hosted the Empowering Women Leaders in STEM through the U.S. Department of State. They marinate in assisting others with a distinct flavor of innovation, designing and distributing an assistive interface for wheelchair joysticks, hosting AT Makers Toy adopt-a-thons, and producing thousands of personal protective equipment and donating them to local first responders, thank you, and medical professionals. Congratulations, team number 5816, Gravy Robotics from Orlando, Florida. Congratulations, everybody.
Thank you so much for celebrating with us this amazing season. And we'd like to congratulate again all winners and all teams for competing this year. We want to thank our judges, volunteers, and mentors. This year would not have been possible if it hadn't been for your dedication to the students. And we love all of you.
And remember, the celebrations have not finished yet. On Saturday, May 22nd at 12 p.m. noon Eastern Time on FIRST TV, we will be holding a virtual awards show to announce the 20 Game Design Challenge finalists and celebrate the accomplishments of our teams this season.
In addition to this, we will host a virtual celebration broadcast featuring special guests on Saturday, June 26th, 2021 at 12 p.m. noon Eastern Time on FIRST TV. During the broadcast, we will reveal the 2021 Dean's List Award winners, 2021 Volunteer of the Year Award, and 2021 Woody Flowers Award, the Game Design Challenge winners, and the championship level Chairman's Award winners and finalists. We'll see you all there.